Welcome to Covina Kia. From the moment you arrive, you will see. You will see why our customers say, if you need a Kia, you come to Covina. You come for selection. Covina Kia is covered up. For service, a new state-of-the-art facility with one goal: get it right. Our number one priority is to provide a world-class customer experience for all of Southern California. We share your enthusiasm for Kia, from the unique designs to unparalleled 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty protection. As a volume dealership, we always have a wide variety of quality pre-owned vehicles. And if you need credit help, Covina Kia is your credit solution. But the foundation of satisfaction is service after the sale, and it's yours at Covina Kia. From perks like lifetime car washes, door ding repairs, multi-point inspections, to a brand new service facility staffed by technicians who take pride in perfection, who are equipped to succeed. From oil changes to major repairs. Open 6 days a week, including Saturday full-day service. Our customer lounge offers all the amenities: refreshments, flat-screen TV, Wi-Fi. Covina Kia is committed to one standard: world class, to proving there is a better way to buy Kias. This is why one customer said, "I am so glad I drove 45 miles to get here." No matter where you are, we're easy to get to. Just off I-10, exit 37A at 626 Citrus Avenue in Covina. If you need a Kia, you come to Covina. Sales and service, count on our best. Covina Kia.